Hey, here we go, guys. Day number 4. Yep, that's right. Jennifer Dorn, your agent for the people. Day number 4, kitchen renovations. Let's see how it's turning out. Oh boy, so today, what I was told is they put 3 coats. They primed it as you saw yesterday in day 3 video. They primed the cabinets and the lower part, that is. They primed the lower part. I think they did like 3 coats. My kitchen is a hot mess, but it's gonna look nice, guys. It's gonna look nice. I'm gonna give a wider angle here. Now they're finished for the most part with that, the extension that they added above the cabinets. And over here, they started with the molding, the decorative molding. Now I can zoom in a little more for you. So you can see there where there's gonna be some decorative molding. I am so excited. The crazy thing is, I'm not gonna be here next week. Alan will be. So when I get back from my trip, this kitchen should be completely finished. Now, my island has not been painted, as you can see. Countertops, all of that will be next week. That's the last thing. And they've ordered the range hood, which that comes, it's this exhaust long one, the one that comes down. That I think gets installed maybe next week, I'm not sure. Or later this, well yeah, because it's already Thursday, right? But we're gonna do a different color here on the island. I actually changed the color from video, the day 1 video. So we're doing a different color in the kitchen, and the island is gonna be a different color. However, the waterfall quartz is the same. And we're going to put some decorative molding there too. So for tomorrow's video, I'm gonna walk you guys through this with me, except Saturday's my last day, then I go away, and then you guys will be surprised with me when I return. Make it a great rest of the day, guys. Talk to you later from my kitchen renovation project. Take care, guys.